So, uh, hello mom, good morning. So today I'm going to discuss the activity for the code of the Arduino code, which is the lesson 3, control LEDs. So as you can see here, we have the inlet equals to it. This is I put 8 LED lights into the breadboard. As for this one by lead pin, inside there the arrays, which is the where I put the pin number to the assign of the LED lights, which is I started from the 2, 3, 4 until to the end of the 9. Here the end lead delay, this is where the make the delay of the LED lights, whether you can make it fast or slow. Input pin equals A0 or the analog. This is where the analog that connects to the potentiometer. And for its setup, for this one here, for in x equals 0, x and less than lead num x plus plus, x is where we put it here, that x, since x equal to 0 which is the default setting for the inside of the arrays. So instead, when we go to the 2, instead of 1 that reads 1, it will read 0 unless you change it to 1. So this is the output, pin 1 lead pin x output. So since we start at 0, it will output the 2, and it will go back and then the x equals 0 will become 1 because of this part, the x plus plus, which makes it plus 1. So instead of 0, it will become 1 because of 0 plus 1. It will repeat itself until it meets its condition. For the void loop here, where void in I equals to 0, I less than 8, I plus plus. This is just the same concept as here. The only difference is the I and the bit of the condition, which is the 8. So here the delay equals analog read. This is where the A0 or the analog that connects to the potentiometer, what we put into the potentiometer, that you input to the value, it read the value in here digital write lead pin I high. This is where the output of if the I is, you lend it to the x, where we input the potentiometer. For example, if you input the potentiometer to the 2, then that specific pin number that connects to the LED, which is the high, it will output that LED or LED that lights up. If it's 3, that specific LED will light up, and so on. Here lead delay, which is that's caused the delay of the LED lights, whether you can make it go faster or slower. Digital write a lead pin, this is just the same concept as this one. The only difference is that since it's slow, the output of that specific LED will turn off. Here we have another for loop function. These are just the same concept as here. The only difference with this one is that the wave of this LED lights goes to the opposite way, or the waves of the LED goes opposite. In this here, it will go to the one direction, as this one it goes to the opposite direction. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.
Evening, I'm going to explain my Arduino activity for the code for the day. So this is the output of the Arduino. So as you can see here, ma'am, the tools or the materials we use: the breadboard, Ono, potentiometer, wires, uh, resistors, and the LEDs. So also the jumper wires. So to begin, ma'am, as you can see here, the blue wire is connected to the uh, analog for the potentiometer, and this one, ma'am, is for the 5 volts, and this one is for the ground. So as for the green and yellow wires, ma'am, they are connected to the LED lights, which is the input and the outputs. So for the resistors, ma'am, is to avoid the burnout of the LEDs. And the jump as for the single green wire here, ma'am, which is connected to the ground, uh, it is connected for the all the line for railroads or the rail. So that all the jumping wires can provide a negative charge to the LED lights. So to explain the output, ma'am, here, if you turn the potentiometer from here, it will make the lights go faster. So if you do it the day opposite side, which is the which makes the lights go slower. So that's all, ma'am.